If you can hear me breathing heavy, it's because of this. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. All these fires going on, you know, all over is causing the skies to appear hazy and crappy like this. And the particulates are coming down and they're getting into everything and everybody. Isn't that nice? Look at all the animals in here just living. Oh, did you make my camera big again, creeps? Man, I always dress wrong in this crap because I thought it was cold and I get down here and I'm sweating to death. We're looking for lamb's ear. And lamb's ear is supposed to be used, look at all this stuff, to expel crap out of your lungs from all of their bull-lonies. Pretty, look at that big bee. See, he's doing, two of them, they're doing their jobs. Beautiful. Thank you, Mr. Bees. Appreciate you. Let me back away so you don't think I'm trying to do anything. Listen to all the sounds of nature. What's that? Some kind of shell? Looks like it's trying to clear up. Cool. Another bee. Pollinate that baby. There's another bee. Huge. Wonder if that's one of the murder rats. See him? Let me see. Pretty cool, eh? There's all kinds of hidden life. There's a little bug right there. See him? I mean, they're all over. There's life. They're just doing their best to hide it. And why? Because we're life. That's why. I mean, when you destroy an environment around people, we tend to have issues with it. And anybody that doesn't, well, there's something wrong with their brain. Something's broke up in there. Up in there, up in there. There's the noise people, the flesh, their vehicles of destruction.